So here you have the fogger gun, which is the one that you put the wands in. So a common problem is that the tip clogs up. We're going to show you how to take that off. So take off the mixing chamber cap. Inside here is the tip. So the air comes out here, but this is the tip. So if you have a problem with no chemical, you need to clean this. So simply remove the retainer nut. Set the gun to the side. So inside here you have a tip and a washer. So this tip needs to get cleaned out. You can use air and some bar salt, or just compressed air usually is always necessary. Tip goes back in first, then your white washer, and then you put it back on. When you tighten it, make sure that the tip is facing up and down. That'll solve the problem of a clogged tip. But really the reason you're having a clogged tip is your filter's clogged. Now the filter's in here. So what you need to do is crack that fitting open. Obviously have no air pressure on the pump. So inside here is a yellow filter screen. This needs to be changed every 6 months minimum. So inside there's the filter. Just push it out with a plunger. Replace it with a new one. And put it back on. This here should get tightened to fairly snug. You can do it by hand. Fairly snug. That's all that you would want to make adjustments with this gun. Anything else called corrosion free, and we'll do it with our service techs. Areas you're not going to touch are this or this. Removing them will basically void the warranty and make the gun pretty well useless. So again, you have your mixing chamber cap removed. That's where you clean your tip, and make sure you clean your filters every 6 months. So here's the L65, or as we call it, the free spray gun. This is the gun that's used on the bottom. It's chemical only. You'll notice it has a reversible tip. So this here designates the direction of the spray. So you see this little arrow? That's the normal fan. Say it clogs up or it's not spraying how you like, you can turn this backwards, squeeze the trigger, and it will blow the tip out backwards to self-clean. If this is happening frequently, like once or twice a vehicle, then you need to clean the filter. Now that's very easy. Remove the guard. You can move it by hand, just by pulling it off. This may or may not be hand tight. If it is, just take a wrench, grabbing here, not on the swivel, but here, and you can just crack that loose. Again, no air pressure to the pump. This pulls off. Take this filter out, replace it with a new one. Don't clean it. Cleaning it will just damage the fine screen and have more problems. So get a new tip from us, put it in, close it up, snug this, not over tight, snug, replace your guard, and you're good to go. You may have to clean your tip again, but normally just putting it backwards, spraying, and then back to service, it's good to go.